Want to make money while you sleep? You can do it without showing your face or making a single phone call. Here's how. Welcome to Smart Hustle AI Pro, where I'll show you how to use AI and automation to create passive income. If you want to learn how to make money while you sleep, hit subscribe and stay tuned. Here's the best part. You don't need to be on camera or create your own content. With AI, you can automate everything. Take AI-driven affiliate marketing as an example. With the right tools, you can set up automated systems that promote products for you. And guess what? The AI works while you're sleeping, generating income passively. I'll show you exactly how to set up your own systems in upcoming videos, but the possibilities are endless. Whether you're working full-time, studying, or just looking for extra income, AI is your new best friend. If this excites you, subscribe and join the journey to financial freedom. Drop a light bulb in the comments if you're ready to learn more about AI side hustles.